typically, at least the general rule of thumb is when you find BPPV that involves more than one canal, you try to find the thing that's most symptomatic to the patient and treat that first. And most clinicians do not treat more than one canal on the same day, just because the mechanics of moving one canal's crystals out usually are contradictory to the other canals. So usually you do one canal one day, treat that, and then once that is resolved, then you go to the next most symptomatic place. But I'd be happy to hear what other people do too.
Well, I'll tell you that I 100% agree with all of that. That's exactly how we would do it too. And that would be my theory on, you know, post-traumatic BPPV is just the mechanism of injury versus, you know, spontaneous BPPV is usually just in one canal. So, and it is much more challenging, and truly because you are trying to treat so many canals, and the nystagmus gets more difficult to delineate where it's coming from. So frontal lenses help a lot with that.
Definitely.